we're given that f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. We're asked to find f inverse of x. So the first thing to do is to rewrite the function, right? But instead of f of x, I'm just going to call it y, right? So y is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2, right? Now that you have it in this form, what I'd like to do is just, you take these two guys and just switch them, right? So that it becomes x is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2, like this. And then the next step is to solve for y. So if we want to solve for y here, the first thing we need to do, realizing of course that this entire expression is divided by 2, right? So let's multiply times 2 on both sides, get rid of that 2. So this is going to cancel. And then we'll have 2x is equal to y plus 1. Now we subtract 1. So now we have 2x minus 1. Minus 1, not y. 2x minus 1 is equal to y, right? Because these two guys cancel. All right, so now you have y equals 2x minus 1. And then just switch them around because that's the way we're used to seeing it, right? This is f inverse. So this is f inverse of x. Now, one thing to make note of on your exam, do not leave this as y, because this is not what y is, right? Y is equal to this, x plus 1 over 2. This is just a trick for keeping track, right? This is a trick for, in your head, keeping track of what's going on. So then once you have it, once you solve for y, be sure to come over to the side and write explicitly f inverse of x. F inverse of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Now we can check it, right? Because if you remember, f inverse of x of f of x should be equal to x, right? So this is a composite function, right? So remember, for composite functions, the first thing we do is we write down the first one, right? We write down the first one, f of x is equal to x plus 1 over 2. And then f inverse of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So the condition is, this is the condition, right? Condition for correctness. Condition to be correct. So you've made a mistake unless this thing comes out to be true. So whenever we perform this operation, whenever we do f inverse, I cannot write today. Whenever we write f inverse of f of x, this should come out to be x. So we take this, remember, circle this, and all that stuff goes in here. All right, so then this is equal to 2 times x plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. The 2's cancel, and we have x plus 1 minus 1. Bang, check. So we get it right. Okay, so this is a bookkeeping method, a problem on inverse functions, and it will definitely show up in the course. I'm going to step out to the side and give you a clear screenshot.